Hello once again, Ben Bats 58 on my YouTube channel. And for now's video is let's try both this lens, the 5140 millimeter 2.8, and then this telephoto or zoom lens of Fuji, the 70-300mm F4 to 5.6. So as you can see, this is a smaller one. Yeah. This 300 is weight is really, there's a big difference for it. This 5140 is heavy compared with this little one, the 70-300. It's really light, so it's like so this 70-300 I just bought it 1 week before, so it's almost yeah, it's quite new for me. So but this one I am using it for almost 2 years already, this 5140. So let's try them both, so and let's see the difference between the lens. This is the 5140. Okay, let's go to the 70-300. Yeah, let's try this also. Okay.
So the following images were done in Capture One. So the first image is this European robin. On this right side is the 5140mm 2.8, and on the left side is the 70 to 300 millimeter F4 to 5.6. So yeah, the images are both sharp. The details on their feathers were nice. It looks great. And this next bird is called a trutras or a common blackbirds. But common blackbirds are a species of trutras. So just to avoid confusion here. So on the right side is the 70 to 300, and on the left side is the 50-140 millimeter. So as we can see, we can zoom on 200% just to get the same dimension as to the 70 to 300 millimeter f4. So these birds are very familiar to us. They are called green parrots, or here they call it parakeets. So actually, they make their nests in here in the holes that already made by the woodpeckers. Yeah. Next bird is the wood pigeon. So yeah, on this left side here is the 70 to 300, and on the right side is the 5140 millimeter. On the right side, it was already zoomed in up to 50%. So here on the right side, the 5140 millimeter, yeah, I zoom it until 100, so it is so the dimension of the photos are the same. So that's it. They are both sharp, and then they look nice. It's the quality, the yeah, here I zoom here up to 100%. So yeah, they are both identical in this images. So yeah, the next bird that we will going to look at is this blue heron. So on this photo, on the right side is the 70 to 300, and I zoom it up to 50%, and also on the left side 5140, I try to zoom also this photo up to 50%, so it will be the same on the other side. So that's it, as we can see. So that's it. So for the next photos, these are the photos taken by the 70 to 300 millimeter f4 to 5.6. Enjoy. Thank you so much.